Hey, imagine waking up one day and instead of reaching for your smartphone, you just speak into the air, "Plan my day." And instantly, everything happens: your schedule, your emails, your reminders, done. No screens, no apps, just pure intelligence at your command. Sounds like sci-fi, right? Well, it might be about to become reality. Because here's the big news: OpenAI is working on a secret AI device set to launch in 2026. And the craziest part? It's being designed by none other than the guy who created the iPhone. Let's break down what we know so far, in simple terms. First, OpenAI has officially confirmed they're releasing a consumer hardware device, and it's happening in the second half of 2026. A top OpenAI policy chief, Chris Lahane, said this during an event in Davos. So, no more rumors, this is for real. Think of it like Apple's early days when they hinted at something new before launching the iPhone. We're at that stage now with OpenAI. Now, here's the wildest part: they're working with Jony Ive. Yes, the legendary designer behind the iPhone, iMac, and AirPods. According to reports, Jony Ive has even recruited other former Apple designers for this project. Imagine Tesla hiring Ferrari's top designer. That's the kind of serious design effort happening here. They're aiming for more than just a gadget, they want a revolution in how we interact with tech. So, what kind of device could this be? Well, OpenAI hasn't officially revealed it, but rumors suggest it might not even have a screen. Think of a small wearable, like AirPods but smarter. Instead of just playing music, it could be your AI assistant you carry everywhere. Imagine walking down the street and just saying, "What's my day like?" And it handles everything. No typing, no tapping, just natural speech. Now, why is OpenAI moving beyond traditional software? Right now, AI lives inside our phones, laptops, and apps. But OpenAI sees AI becoming a new kind of platform, a physical product that changes everything. Remember how smartphones replaced MP3 players, cameras, maps, and even computers? Well, AI gadgets might start replacing searching, scheduling, even some apps. It's a huge tech shift in the making. Here's an interesting point from a recent Medium article: AI isn't just one chatbot anymore. It's morphing into a whole stack of tools working together. Think memory, search, video generation, decision-making agents, automation. It's like a brain with organs, all integrated into one pocket-sized companion. That's the vision behind this secret device. Now, here's the big question everyone is asking: will this replace smartphones? Is OpenAI trying to kill the iPhone? It's too early to say for sure, but one thing's clear: they seem to think the app era might be ending. Instead of opening different apps like Uber, Google Maps, or your calendar, you'll just say, "Book a cab," or "Remind me about that meeting," and it's done. No taps. No scrolling. Just voice commands. This could totally change how we interact with tech, like a new language for digital life. And here's why this matters so much. This isn't just another gadget, it could mark the beginning of the post-smartphone era. OpenAI's first hardware device might shape how humans use technology for decades, similar to what the iPhone did back in 2007. So, what's the takeaway? OpenAI is quietly building a secret AI device, launching in 2026, designed by the guy who revolutionized mobile phones. And it might just transform tech forever. The future might not be screens at all, it could be AI companions that understand us naturally. What do you think? Will OpenAI replace smartphones? Or will this idea fall flat like other AI gadgets? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you love staying ahead of the tech curve, subscribe for more simple explanations of the future. Thanks for watching.